Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Every girl needs a cute bow set to accessorize her outfits, and this adorable hair bow set from Cinaci is more than we expected. It comes with several different colors in each set, and there are different color sets to choose from. We love the vibrant colors, and this set comes with enough neutral colors that we have a bow for every outfit. They're easy to clip in and they stay well clipped all day. My daughter can wear these to school, out with her friends, or to family dinner, and she has no trouble with them despite how long she wears them. She loves how lightweight they are and the fact that it doesn't pull her hair or cause her any discomfort all day. I love how durable they are. My daughter's pretty responsible, but she's still young, and she doesn't take great care of her stuff sometimes. But these bows have lasted her abuse and show no signs of stopping. So if you're in the market for a beautiful, versatile, and durable bow set for yourself or your daughter, you're going to love this set from Cinaci. And that's my point of view.